In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a website in Google Chrome. This is a simple yet incredibly useful skill that enhances your browsing experience by allowing you quick access to your favorite sites with just a click. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by navigating to the website that you want to bookmark. This could be any site you visit frequently, from your favorite news outlet to an essential work portal or even a personal blog you love to read. Once you're on the desired webpage, direct your attention to the address bar. That's the long rectangular field at the top of your browser window where the web address is displayed. In the address bar, you'll notice a star icon on the right side. This is your gateway to creating a bookmark. Go ahead and click that star icon. This action opens a small dialog box that offers a few options to make your bookmark more organized and easily accessible. Now comes the creative part, naming your bookmark. While this step is optional, giving a descriptive name to your bookmark can serve as a helpful reminder of what's behind that link. If you decide not to rename it, Chrome will automatically use the default page title, which usually works fine but may sometimes be too lengthy or unclear. The next step is deciding where you'd like to save this bookmark. Google Chrome provides you with a couple of options. You can add it to the bookmarks bar, which appears just below the address bar. This is super handy if it's a website you intend to visit frequently, since it keeps your bookmark a single click away. Alternatively, you can choose to save it in Other Bookmarks. This is a great option if you're bookmarking something that you don't need immediate access to, but want to keep in your bookmarks menu for future reference. This way, you can keep your bookmarks bar clean and clutter-free while still enjoying easy access to less frequently visited sites. After you've decided on a location for your bookmark and optionally given it a name, it's time to finalize the process by clicking on the Done button. Congratulations, you've successfully bookmarked a website in Google Chrome. Remember, bookmarking is a fantastic feature, not only for saving time but for keeping your digital life organized. Whether you're a student collecting resources for a project, a professional managing multiple websites, or just someone who enjoys browsing, using bookmarks efficiently can truly enhance your online experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy browsing.